Hoekom twee kinders wat onskuldig is vermoor, wat niks met die hele saak te doen het nie.
Oriana Du Plessis unembuzo okungenzeka engaphenduleki. Usibali wakhe uWerner Groenewald nezingane zakhe babulawe eKabul ngempelasonto. Amadela kufa amathathu eTaliban ahlasele inkomponi lapho bebehlala khona. uGroenewald obeneminyaka engu-46 nezingane zakhe uJean-Pierre noRode bebesendlini ngaleso sikhathi.
After they shot the people in the basement, they killed 2 of the people in the basement. They went upstairs and went to into Jean-Pierre's room and shot Werner again, and then Rode and then Jean-Pierre. And that's where they died.
Umfelokazi kaGroenewald uHaneli obesiza esibhedlela sendawo nguyena kuphela osindele kulesigameko.
He was busy helping people to farm and teach them to farm in such a way that they could help other people. So he was training leaders, he helped people to develop their leadership skills, and yes, he was also involved with the children.
Ibandla lapho bebekhonza khona ePitoli lizosingatha amalungiselelo omngcwabo uma sekubuye izidumbu zabashonile.